So it's been about a year and a half since I installed these LED T8 bulbs in this fluorescent fixture, and let me turn it on, and this is exciting. Alright, so let me turn it on, and let's zoom in. Okay, it turned itself off. It's surge protector did. And let's take a look at that again. So, let me turn the power strip switch on. Okay. Alright, third time. Let's see, I've turned it off for about 30 seconds. Let me turn it back on, see if it works. Oh yeah, look at that. Fireworks and light. Alright. And of course, in taking the LED tube out, out of the fixture, I managed to break it right down here. So, I guess we'll get to take a look, see on the inside of a 4-foot LED tube and see what this black stuff is. Okay, so this is with the some of the glass broken off, and let's see how close I can get. So this is a good end. So it must have these little LEDs when you turn on the back side. Alright. And let's move on up to the zone of destruction. And let's say it's certainly not obvious to me as to if a particular one burnt out or not, or what the story is. I'm not an LED expert. But, so that's what the inside looks like. These little LED things. T8 LED bulb. And other scorch marks upon further examination were at this end here, where with the LED cluster stops, and this must be some sort of power conversion. Okay, so I've taken more of the glass tubing off of the LED tube, and you can see here it's that band is free, but and I do recall that earlier that it did look like the LEDs were sagging in a portion of this tube, and then as you get to the other part, which was probably okay, and you can see the LEDs are still attached to the glass. And if I try and pull it off, the glass is cracked, broken, but still adhering to the strip. So there must be some sort of adhesive also. Alright, so and that's the inside. And then at this end, typical T8. an examination of the inside of a T8 LED tube.